Hi, and welcome to this tutorial on how to define newly installed filters on a filter slide in iControl. Open iControl software, connect to the reader and navigate to the Settings menu. Select Filter Definitions. In the Overview tab, currently mounted filters are displayed. Choose the filter position which you need to define by clicking on the appropriate tab. Select the appropriate measurement mode of the filter from the drop-down list. In this example, we define fluorescence filters. Type in the excitation wavelength and bandwidth, and the emission wavelength and bandwidth. An optional description can be entered. The purchase date can be entered to keep track of the purchase or installation date of the filter. The flash counter monitors the number of flashes through the filter. Set the counter to 0 when installing a brand new filter. Save the new settings by clicking on the Save button and close the Filter Definition menu. The software writes the changed definitions onto the small filter board on the rear side of the filter slide itself. If you need any further help, please find detailed instructions in the manual or on the USB drive. Check out our other articles and videos on the Knowledge Portal, and please do not hesitate to reach out to our Helpdesk experts.